Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know, you always hear me talk about Van Horn, right? 17 dealerships, Wisconsin, Iowa, they're everywhere you want them to be. Check this out. I just got back from a baseball trip. They rent cars too. I just got this sweet Hyundai. It was outstanding. All right, we're inside Van Horn Rental right now. I just told you about this sweet Hyundai SUV they had. I had no idea they had rental cars. They do though, a whole new rental division right here in Plymouth. And Mike, tell us all about the different options people have if they want to rent from you guys.
We got three different options. When the main one would be what you did, which is just a leisurely vehicle that somebody's going to come in and rent and take for the day or the week, or we also have longer term. Next one would be business type vehicles that you're going to come in and you're going to rent it for your business and take it out for business purposes. And then we also have recreational vehicles.
Now, I got to tell you, right? So as a baseball dad, right, you want something big that you could take your kids out into, maybe the whole team, maybe a big old passenger van. You guys got that as well, right?
Yep, we got you covered. So we've got two big passenger vans. We've got a 12 passenger and a 15 passenger van. And we actually had a church group come in, rent both of them, and they took them on a mission trip to Ohio.
See, now that's the one I want. That's been blessed. That way I'll be safe going wherever I'm going next, right? Plus you have the business side, and look at this thing behind us here, the Ram 3500 Pro Master. Tell us all about this beauty.
Let me show you this one here.
Mike, this is amazing. We're inside of this big old Ram 3500 Pro Master, and the front seat, my driver's seat, swivels all the way around, and look at all this room we have.
This is huge. I can tell you, you got 12 feet from here to the back doors. You got 6 feet across, 6 feet tall. You got over 500 cubic feet inside this thing.
So you can haul a lot of freight in this bad boy. Mike, I thought you said we had a surprise. This is the same one, Ram 3500 Pro Master. That's the same one we just looked at. What's the surprise, Mike?
Oh, buddy, look at this bad boy right here.
Woo! Now this is a surprise.
Sparky, look at this giant countertop that you have over here. So you can use this for your air fryer, your cookers, or whatever else. And then on this side,
Nice. I like it. What about all this space over here too? Lots of extra space over here.
why don't you pull one of those doors open? There's many of them.
Look at this, lots of room for like silverware and stuff if you're going camping. Man, this is the ride for you. I gotta say, these are nice comfy seats, right? I can maybe sit over here. These are nice and comfy for the kids, but Mike, where am I gonna sleep? What is this? Look at this high-tech stuff here. My bed's coming down from the ceiling. Now this is pretty cool.
What are you doing, Mike?
Man, this is like a little table. We can sit down and enjoy the view and have a snack and maybe a little cold beverage. That sounds good. Mike, look at this view. Man, you did a great job. This thing is unbelievable. Now, if you want to rent this, or maybe you want to rent the big passenger van, or maybe you have a business, you want to haul a bunch of freight in, or like me, you want to get one of those Hyundai SUVs for a really reasonable price, this is your place. Plymouth, Wisconsin, Van Horn Rental. Check them out on the internet, vanhornrental.com. That's how I found out about it, and you will be so impressed by Van Horn.